Farming, I promise to earn the trust and pay full respect to my teachers and remain obedient. I will abide by all the rules and regulations of the college and utilize my timing and energies in the studies. I will adhere to the standards of professionalism as specified by the college, such that my conduct uphold and reflect the high calling of my profession. I will treat my colleague as my fellow being and never discriminate against them for their differences.